Turning now to the debate on same-sex marriage. The Mobile County Probate Court just announced it will open windows again tomorrow after closing offices yesterday following Roy Moore's order to ban marriage licenses to same-sex couples. His order has created lots of confusion among probate judges over whether to follow the ruling by the U.S. Supreme Court or the state laws already in place. But Moore says he issued the order to help clear up confusion.
On June 26, 2015, the United States Supreme Court ruled same-sex marriage was legal in all 50 states. However, on Wednesday, Alabama Supreme Court Justice Roy Moore ordered Alabama probate judges to stop issuing marriage licenses.
The existing orders of the Alabama Supreme Court and API that judges have a ministerial duty not to issue any marriage license that contradicts that runs contrary to the Alabama Sanctity of Marriage Amendment or the Alabama Marriage Protection Act remains in full force and effect.
But does Moore have a legal leg to stand on? We asked Dr. Ron Nelson. He's an associate professor of criminal justice and political science at the University of South Alabama. He said there is indeed some confusion.
One might argue that it's a confusing situation. They didn't want to get into the middle of it.
Power disputes between the federal courts and the state courts date all the way back to 1816.
Debate goes way back. You know, this idea of where does the authority lie and where's the line between these two different court systems.
Moore believes the Obergefell decision that determined the Supreme Court ruling to legalize same-sex marriage only applies to states in the case: Kentucky, Ohio, Tennessee, and Michigan, but not to Alabama.
Now, when you've got some judges doing one thing and some judges doing another, and some judges don't know what to do, there's a lot of confusion.
Nelson says a lawsuit may have to come about to determine if it indeed applies to Alabama.
I would predict that someone challenging Alabama's statute based on the Supreme Court decision are probably going to win. But you know, we don't have that yet.
And that was Allison Spann reporting. More than 40 of the 67 counties in Alabama are following the decision made by the Supreme Court this summer and are still issuing licenses to all couples.